Welcome back to the Crash Test channel. I'm Brian, and today we're breaking down a head-to-head crash test comparison between two popular SUVs, the 2025 MG HS and the 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan. Both vehicles went through intense safety evaluations with Euro NCAP, and we're here to analyze every detail. So, if you're interested in choosing a safer SUV for you and your family, stick around. Starting with the 2025 MG HS, let's look at how it fared in Euro NCAP's frontal offset test. The MG HS's passenger compartment remained remarkably stable, offering solid protection for the knees and femurs of both the driver and passenger. MG took it a step further, demonstrating that the HS would deliver similar protection for occupants of various sizes and seating positions. In the full-width rigid barrier test, the MG HS showed commendable protection, though the rear passenger's chest was rated as marginal due to compression readings in the dummy data. Both the side barrier and side pole impact tests were wins for the HS, scoring maximum points with good protection for all critical areas. One of the standout features on the MG HS is a system to mitigate occupant-to-occupant injuries in a side impact collision. During the test, the side airbag effectively cushioned both the driver and passenger, offering good protection. As for whiplash, the MG HS aced both the front and rear seats, showing strong protection during rear-end collision tests. Plus, it comes with an advanced e-call system that alerts emergency services in case of a crash, as well as a system to prevent secondary impacts. Now, let's dive into the 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan. In the frontal offset test, the Tiguan's passenger compartment also stayed stable, with solid protection for both driver and passenger knees and femurs. Volkswagen demonstrated similar protection across various occupant sizes and seating positions. However, in the full-width rigid barrier test, the Tiguan faced some unique challenges. The chest protection for rear passengers received a marginal rating due to compression readings. Additionally, during testing, a phenomenon called submarining occurred in the pelvis area, where the dummy slid under the seatbelt, increasing the risk of abdominal injuries. In the side barrier test, the Tiguan showed good protection initially, but a post-test inspection revealed a 30mm tear in the curtain airbag, which led to a reduced head protection score. This airbag tear didn't appear in the side pole impact test, but the Euro NCAP applied the same penalty. On the positive side, the Tiguan is equipped with a center airbag on the driver's seat to protect against occupant-to-occupant injuries in side collisions, performing well in testing. When it comes to whiplash protection, both the MG HS and VW Tiguan performed well in the front seats. However, the rear seats in the Tiguan were rated marginal, whereas the MG HS maintained strong whiplash protection throughout. Both SUVs come with advanced e-call systems to contact emergency services in case of a crash, along with systems to prevent secondary impacts. A unique feature in the Tiguan, however, is that Volkswagen demonstrated the doors could be unlocked within 2 minutes of power loss in a submergence scenario. Additionally, the electric windows remain functional briefly to allow escape. So, which SUV comes out on top? The 2025 MG HS delivers solid stability, superior side impact protection, and consistent whiplash protection. The 2024 Tiguan, on the other hand, shows some concerns with its airbag system, but includes additional safety features for submergence scenarios. Ultimately, each of these SUVs brings unique safety advantages to the table. Which would you pick for safety, the 2025 MG HS or the 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to tell us which crash test comparison you'd like to see in our next video here on the Crash Test channel.